Hello, you're on Review Everything Around channel. Today we're gonna take a look at the application Aida64 for Android. At the first launch, I opened the application settings and selected dark theme. It's more pleasing to the eye. Here is what you can configure in this section. Let's look at the others. I'll just open all sections one by one and scroll through. OK, system. CPU. Display. Network. Battery. Android OS. Devices. At this point, Aida64 will ask you to give a permission. Click OK and choose Allow to get more info about your camera. Scroll down to see information about all devices. Thermal. Sensors. Whoops! Real-time analysis stopped after turning the screen. Let's try to reopen this section. Now it works again. Apps. This section allows you to set up some basic settings for apps that has been installed. Codecs. Directories. System files. And the last one is About. Thanks for watching! Click on thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see my next videos in time. Also, you can make a donation, it will be great! Thank you very much! See ya!